Hello everybody, welcome back. I'm Red Hair Luffy, and I know I've been gone for a long time now, but I got a surprise for you guys. It is this Lorcana mat from Into the Inklands. It is the Stitch mat. We're gonna open it today, and also I got a very big, nice surprise for you guys. We're also gonna be opening these 5 Lorcana Into the Inklands packs, 12 cards a piece. Let's try to get this enchanted rare card. So let's get into it right now. Here we are, guys. Let's get into it. So I think I opened it from the top. Let's go. Come on. I'm so excited, guys. I've never had a Lorcana mat ever. Put this to the side. Oh my gosh, I know this is going to be amazing. Oh no, I know it. I can feel it. Yes. Oh my gosh. I cannot stress how cool this mat is, guys. Look at that with the little Lorcana symbol right here. Oh my god, the Stitch rocket! I love it. I love it. This is an amazing mat, guys. All you guys have to get a mat, a Lorcana mat. You guys have to. Now let's get into these packs, guys. All right. You try to pull that enchanted rare, guys. Maybe enchanted Ursula or something. These 2 cards in the back are always the additional rules for what for the new types of cards that they have, like the new locations. So we have bestow a gift right here. Cool. We have Kit Cloud Kicker. Awesome. We have Kita. The Steel Kita, because there's different types of Kitas. Della Duck. DeVille Manor. Oh, cool. Our first location. Cool. Dalmatian puppy. Oh, jeez. Oh, he's so cute. I might make a puppy deck. Who knows? Thaddeus E. Klang. Is he from Treasure Planet? What's he from? I have no clue what he's from. I've got a dream. I've got a dream. I've got a dream. Is that a song? I'm not sure. Oh, that is a song. Yeah. Oh, geez, I love it. Tangled. Kit Cloud Kicker. Oh, wow. And our first rare is the Heart of Defeaty. I love it. Okay, here we go. Second rare is, foil. Foil, I'm not sure, is it Know Your Feet Now or whatever? I'm not sure what that is. And then I think this is also a rare. Oh, super. Sorry, guys. Ariel super rare. Nice. Nice, guys. I kind of did that wrong, but that's all good. So we got super rare Ariel. We got a foil rare. On Your Feet Now. And then foil, and then a rare Heart of Defeaty. All right, guys, let's try to get into this next pack. Whoa! Put it to the side. Fit these extra little rules. Actually, we're just gonna open it straight up. The Firebird. The Firebird. There we go. It's just one lore, basically. Captain Amelia. I think that might be Treasure Planet. I think it looked, maybe, it's been a long time since I've seen Treasure Planet. Chief Tui. I love Moana. Such a good movie. Milo Thatch. That's Atlantis. It's been a long time since I've seen Atlantis, actually. Strike a good match. Not sure where that one's from. Oh, Mulan. Duh. What am I talking about? Oh, Neverland. Oh, our second location, guys. Our second location. It's fun. Oh, wow. Right next to it. Our third location, Cusco's Palace. Oh, that's so cool. Oh my gosh, I love that. I love that. Next is Hydros, Titan from Hercules. That's crazy. And then Lithos, our next Titan. Is it like the Lightning Titan or something? The Rock Titan. Cool. First rare is Maui's Place of Exile. Wow. Okay, so we got a rare location, guys. Sorry. There you go. Cool. Actually, we'll put that right here. And then, ooh, super rare. Prince Eric. Super rare Prince Eric. Nice. And then our final foil is Flintheart Glomgold. That's a mouthful. Cool. I'm thinking that's that from DuckTales or something. All right. I think DuckTales was just a little bit before my time, guys. But let's get this third pack in. Let's try to get that enchanted rare, guys. Come on now. I'm not too good at opening these packs. They're a little bit too weird for me. We got the Queen. We got Captain Amelia again. That's cool. We got Helga Sinclair. I want to say that's Atlantis again. I really want to say that's Atlantis. Nutsy, which I have absolutely no clue where that's from. Couldn't tell you. We got Skippy. Energetic Rabbit. Oh, we got another Dalmatian. Patch. Aw, so cute. Little puppy. These things, they're so cute. Robin's Bow. So that's a cool item. We got Magic Broom. Uh-oh. Oh, so they bring back those brooms now. You can get that Mickey Sorcerer do some broom action. That's cool. Captain Hook's Rapier, or Rapier, however you want to say it. That's cool. First rare is John Silver. There you go. John Silver. That is a lot of text on there. Put that right there. Uh-oh. Super rare. Yes! Yes, Piglet! I really wanted this card. Love it. Love it. Put that for the super rares. And then, for the foil, is I Will Find My Way. Hercules, I believe, right? I love it. Come on, guys. We're pulling some good cards. I'm not too mad about it right now. I mean, we haven't pulled a legendary or enchanted, but pulling a decent amount of super rares, so I'm not too mad about that. Magic Carpet. That's cool. All right, next one is Maid Marian. I'm not sure where that is. That what? Robin Hood? I have no clue where that's from. I'm gonna say Robin Hood. Razul, which I'm not even sure he was actually a character. Like I've seen him in Aladdin, but I'm not sure he was like his own character. That's cool. Webby Vanderquack. I'm guessing that's DuckTales again. Sir Hiss. I don't know, Jungle Book? I really don't know where that would be from. Looks like Ka from Jungle Book. I really don't know. We got Neverland again for location. Cool. We got, ooh, Starkey. Starkey, that's a cool one. For a pirate. We got Starkey. Alright, guys. Let's see. The Sorcerer's Tower. That's another location. Oh, cool. We don't have this one yet. There you go. Oh, that works for the broom mechanic too, actually. That's really good. 99 puppies. Uh-oh, this is an action too. 99 puppies, guys. And then, first rare, Lucky, the 15th puppy. That's so cute. I gotta make a puppy deck. I gotta make a puppy deck. Second rare is Belle's House, location. That is so cool. So we got 2 rare locations so far. And then for the foil, we got a foil rare, guys, Pyros. Yes. He's the Lava Titan. Cool. Awesome. Now, we'll put that in the foil pile. Okay, guys, one more pack. Can we get that enchanted rare? Please. Please. Let's get that enchanted rare, guys. Come on. Two fingers. Cross your fingers, guys. We got Iago. Probably want a cracker. Next, we got Maid Marian. This is the one we saw earlier. I still think that one's from Robin Hood. We got Gizmo Suit. Gizmo Suit. Yeah. I think I'm saying that right. Gizmo Suit? I think that's from DuckTales too, actually. Webby Vanderquack? Webby Vanderquack? Is that also from DuckTales? Milo Thatch, also from Atlantis, I believe. Mr. Snoops. I'm guessing that's what? Treasure Planet? I really don't know what that one is. Friar Tuck. Friar Tuck. Really don't know. I could not tell you what he's from. Mama Odie. Oh, she's cool actually. I don't know where she's from, but that's a cool card. All right. Simba. I like that they do a lot of Simba cards for Steel. Let's do, okay, first rare. It's another location card, actually. It's what's this? I actually didn't even read that. Sorry, it's RLS Legacy Solar Galleon. This has to be Treasure Planet, I believe. That's got to be a Treasure Planet. So cool. That is so cool, guys. Actually, hold on, put that right there. Second rare is Morph Space Goo. Morph Space Goo. My best guess is also Treasure Planet. Yeah. So put that in the rare. And then the foil is a Dalmatian puppy. So kind of sucks that we didn't get an enchanted rare. But that's fine. But then the foils. Thank you guys for watching my video. And as always, please like, share, subscribe. And for my first 100 subscribers, you will be getting, for one of them, of course, one of you first 100 subscribers will be getting this Japanese Luffy starter deck. And then after that, one of my next 100 subscribers, one of you guys will be getting this starter deck Uta. So please keep subscribing, guys. Please comment. I really want to know what you guys have to say. And I'll see all of you guys next time.